Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we're going to make part 6-C9A, the driving chain pattern for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-C9A, the driving chain pattern for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Now this is quite an easy part. Let's go to the rest. Let's go front plane, sketch. So we want two circles. Going to put one there and one there. Is going to be 204 diameter, 104 radius. This one's going to be 25.8 by 2, so 51.6 radius. This point and this point, two center points are going to be 74 apart. And same two again. Let's click outside and highlight so make sure I've got everything. It's going to be down. It's going to be 350.1. And then we're going to do a line. Do a line across, down and down. There we go. Delete that one. Now we want this line, this circle, and the line is going to be tangent. You bring this one down so we get the right spot. This line, circle line and a straight line will be tangent. Above line and this circle will be tangent. That is this one. Because I clicked on that, I didn't unclick that one, that's why it didn't show up. Okay, trim. We're going to trim U, and U, U2, and U. Now, thing is, I should have done this before I done it, that's fine. This line, this circle, and this circle will be all construction. There we go. Now, if we do center line, put that to there, just highlight it. There we go. And that should be it. So it's 102. It's 204. So if you want this turn to radius, delete that one and go again. 102. There you go. So if you want that in radius format, just delete what you got there. Oh. Like highlight. There we go. Oh. I'll edit. There we go. And do it again. 25.8, perfect. And okay. So that is it. 350.174, and that is the driving is part 6-C9A driving chain pattern done. I call it part. It's actually a pattern, so it's not actually a part. It's just when we do the drive shaft, that's the pattern it's going to take. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode.